Hello and welcome to Peggy's Plants, coming to you from Central Florida. Today I'd like to share with you an Instagram plant auction unboxing. I follow a lot of plant people on Instagram, and at some point I started following the Urban Leaf Shop. I noticed one Wednesday that they were advertising that they were having an online auction. Now, I've seen them post these before, but I've never actually attended. This is one of their posts announcing that they're having an auction, and these are some of the plants that they're going to be offering. So I saw this and I said, you know what? I'm going to participate. I'm going to check this out and just see what it is. Now, I know better. I've done plant auctions before and I try to avoid them like the plague because I get really carried away. And this time was no exception. I can say that I really had a good time. The people were really friendly, and I had the winning bid on a few really nice plants. The Urban Leaf Shop is a small family-owned business, and they happen to be located here in Florida, so I received my package within 2 or 3 days. I'm really excited about this unboxing and sharing it with you and seeing what I received. Okay, I can say right off top, I'm impressed. Look at the way these plants are packaged. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. I don't see any loose soil at all. Okay, let's get to the plants. I'm excited. I'm hoping that the packaging, this company just seems like they take great pride in what they do and great care in their plants. I got that impression even just sitting through the auction. Many of the people in attendance seemed to be regulars, so there was a great rapport. People were talking about their packaging and things like that, and now I understand why. Most of the plants being offered for sale were rare or hard to find Anthuriums. There were a lot of Anthurium hybrids. Look at this. It's corrugated cardboard with the pot and plant actually taped to the cardboard. The gentleman conducting the sale did say that all of the plants are shipped in their pots, in the soil, and I really like that. It takes all the guesswork out of trying to figure out what kind of soil mix the plant was growing in, what is it used to, trying to get it acclimated to something new. So I really do like that. And these have a lot of tape on here, so this is going to take me some time. So I'm going to do some clips so you all don't have to sit through all of this. Okay, and here we go with the first plant. And okay, I know which one this is now. This is the only one that I purchased that is not an Anthurium. Isn't this beautiful? This is a Scindapsus mayori. This is a plant that I saw it right at the end of the auction. He was actually in his grow tent, and he picked this one up and offered it, and I had to have it. Very nice looking plant. One suggestion I have if you are going to participate in a plant auction is establish your budget before you get started. What I do during the auction is each plant that I won, I would write the price down so that I could keep track of how much I was spending, because it's so easy to get caught up and lose track of how much you've spent, and also keeping in mind that there will also be a shipping charge. Okay, here it is, all out of the paper finally. I'm going to have to do things a little differently to move things on a little faster, but look at this plant. And for a plant that just came out of a box, it's looking really, really good. This one is in, it looks like sphagnum moss. It's a starter plug. I did know that when I purchased it. They're really good about telling you the background of the plants, or if you have any questions about the plant and things like that. Really good about taking their time and answering questions. There were about 25 people participating in the auction. It was slow paced. Questions were asked. There was a lot of chit chat. It was very casual and much appreciated. On to the next plant. I'm going to do this one a little bit faster, but as you see, again, no loose soil, no mess, no nothing, just perfect packaging. And I think I know what this plant is, and this is the one, if it's what I think it is, this is the one I'm most excited about. Another bit of advice I have about auctions is do your research. Make sure that the people, company, whomever you're buying from is reputable. And I do this by looking at comments, things that people have said about purchases that they have made from this particular seller, and just kind of checking things out, making sure that reputation is good. People are satisfied with the plants that they're receiving the plants that they expect, all of that kind of stuff. Okay, now that I'm getting in here, I realize this is not the plant that I thought it was. This one is actually one that when he was showing it, I said I would buy it, and then he put it down and he broke a leaf off of it. It actually had 2 leaves, and now as you see, it's down to 1. And so he dropped the price drastically and said, I'll sell it to you for $25. Do you still want it? And I said, of course I do. And he showed me that even though it had lost one of the leaves, it does have several additional growth points that have started to grow and produce leaves. So I'm excited about it. And again, this is an Anthurium. Also, this, as you see, the growth points on here. So yes, just as he said and just how he showed me online. And that's one thing I do like about buying during online auctions. You can ask questions, they can point out things, unless it's one of the ones that is like they have a huge audience and it's really fast paced. I don't really like doing those kind of auctions. So here's a good look at it, fully out of the paper. As you see, it is in soil. There are the new growth points. And yeah, we'll see what happens with this one, but I'm excited about it. And let me try to focus in here so that you can see the name of it. As you can see, it is a hybrid. I'm all into the Anthuriums lately. I went from not being able to grow them to like really enjoying them lately. And there you see the dark green crinkly leaf. I think that's what got me. Who knows? Why do we like what we like, you know? Okay, so far we're 2 for 2. Each of those plants have traveled nicely. Let's see about this one. Hopefully, yes, this is the one that got me excited and got me started bidding. Yeah, can't wait to show you this plant. I'm hoping it's everything that I'm expecting it to be, and it looks like it did on the computer screen, so I'm excited about this one. I don't grow my Anthuriums in a cabinet. I don't give them any additional humidity or anything like that. Sometimes when I bring new Anthuriums home and they're acclimating, I lose all the leaves. Sometimes I just go ahead and cut all the leaves off and start from scratch. And it seems to work for me. As long as the roots are viable, I end up with a beautiful plant. So I don't get real concerned about the way the leaves look. And I know that might be a little unconventional, but it works for me. As you can tell, this is a much larger plant. Oh my goodness. I'm already seeing it is beautiful. I am so excited about this plant. Look at this. And it traveled very well. I mean, I am so impressed with this packaging. And they have the batting between the leaves so that the leaves don't get damaged. This is hands down truly some of the best packaging of plants I have ever seen. Oh my goodness. This plant is amazing. Look at this. Look at this big, beautiful leaf. I mean, oh my gosh, this plant is amazing. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It certainly doesn't look like a plant that just came out of a box. I mean, this plant far exceeded my expectation. It's even more beautiful than it seemed, you know, during the auction and everything. Oh my gosh, look at that veining on these leaves in the dark green velvet. Ooh, this is what got me on this plant. And look at all of the leaves. It's in excellent condition. Absolutely beautiful. And there has been no loose soil in this package at all. And that is how they covered the soil on the pot. And as you can see, it's well wrapped up. The plant is stabilized. Yeah. And here it is in all its glory. Look at this plant. I'm 100% pleased with this. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. This made the whole purchase worthwhile. Wow. Amazing. Okay, I guess you all have heard enough about this plant. Let me show you what it is. It's an Anthurium SG cinnamon swirl cross with a red crystallinum. And that equals absolutely beautiful. Okay, let me move on to the next plant. This is the fourth and final plant that I purchased at the auction. You may be wondering why I'm not giving you prices for all of the plants. It's an auction, so prices will vary, and I don't want to taint your ideas of what give you a preconceived notion of what to expect for plant prices. It all just depends on what the plants are going for. On this night, he asked if we wanted to do a regular auction, if we wanted to do a reverse auction, and we all said we wanted to do the reverse auction. So he gave a price, and if there were no takers, he would go down, and then after a certain point, he would just move on to the next plant. And it was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. And here is the namesake for this plant. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. I always tear up the pap. I just call them paps because papillolaminum. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I say it differently every time and I tear it up. So that's what it is, a Grige hybrid cross with a Grige cross with a papillolaminum. Okay, that's the last time I'm even going to try to say that word. So let's get into this plant. Okay, this is one that got me for the big velvety green leaf. Oh my goodness. These anthuriums, I need to just leave them alone. I have lost my mind. And I'm going to try to not purchase any more anytime soon. I'm cutting back on my plant purchases and just trying to enjoy and appreciate what I have. I'm running out of space. But now that I've discovered anthuriums and that I can actually grow them, I am losing my mind. They are just so beautiful. Look at that. This newly unfurled leaf. Look at that one. And here is the plant totally removed from its packaging. Excellent condition once again. That's a 4 for 4 shipment. Very nice. I couldn't be more satisfied. So yes, my first purchase from the Urban Leaf Shop, and I'm 100% pleased with it. So if you'd like to check them out, just look them up on Instagram, the Urban Leaf Shop, and help support a small family-owned business. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. Like I said, this is my first auction. Totally enjoyed it. Maybe I'll see you there if you decide to stop by. Take care. Stay well. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.